We want to identify the shaded region in the diagram below, which we can see here. The boundary is this line. We need to find the equation of this line. Note the line goes through the origin. The general form of a straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. M is the gradient of the line, or slope of the line, and c is the y-intercept, or where the line crosses the y-axis. We already noted it went through the origin, so c is equal to 0. Now let's find the gradient. If we go across by 3 units, we go up by 1. The gradient is defined to be the rise, which is the distance upwards, divided by the run, which is the distance across. In this case, m is 1 over 3, or 1/3. Since c is 0, it follows the equation is y is 1/3 x. So the line itself is y is 1/3 x. We need to find the inequality that defines this blue region. We can take any point at all as a test point. Why not take this one? This is the point 0, 3. So x is 0 and y is 3. Use this together with the equation y is 1/3 x. Y is 3, and we have 1/3 of 0. 1/3 of 0 is 0, which is the correct inequality to go between 3 and 0. 3 is greater than 0, so this region is y is greater than 1/3 x. It follows that the region we want is y is less than 1/3 x, but since the line was solid, it's less than or equal to